everyone! The front fascia carries a bold and assertive look with a large, chrome-framed grille flanked by sleek LED headlights that stretch towards the fenders, creating a premium yet aggressive stance. The hood has muscular contours, giving off the impression of strength, while the aerodynamic body lines enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. The LED taillights and chrome accents at the rear give it a touch of elegance that's rare in the pickup segment. The proportions are well-balanced, tall and confident, but not bulky. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how Mazda has moved beyond the traditional truck interior. The cabin feels more like a premium SUV than a workhorse pickup. Soft-touch materials, metallic accents, and leather upholstery elevate the overall experience. The 2026 BT-50 offers a redesigned dashboard centered around a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that gives the driver real-time information in a clean and modern layout. Mazda's attention to detail is evident in the stitching, ergonomic controls, and the overall minimalistic yet luxurious atmosphere. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda BT-50 continues to deliver performance that's both reliable and powerful. It's powered by a 3-liter turbo diesel engine, producing around 188 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine setup provides plenty of grunt for towing, hauling, and off-road challenges, while also maintaining excellent fuel efficiency for longer journeys. The truck's ladder frame chassis ensures durability and strength, while the suspension system, independent double wishbone at the front and leaf springs at the rear, balances load-bearing ability with ride comfort. On the road, the BT-50 feels composed and confident. The steering is precise, and thanks to Mazda's refined tuning, the ride quality is smoother than what you'd expect from a pickup. It handles city roads and highways with ease, offering comfort similar to a family SUV. Off-road, the BT-50's 4x4 system with selectable drive modes lets you tackle different terrains effortlessly: mud, gravel, sand, or rocky trails. The ground clearance sits around 240 millimeters, providing enough capability for serious off-roading, while the wading depth of about 800 millimeters means water crossings are no problem. Safety has also been elevated in the 2026 model. It includes Mazda's i-Activsense suite of driver assistance technologies: adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. Combined with the reinforced body structure and multiple airbags, the BT-50 offers peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, whether cruising on highways or venturing off the beaten path. Practicality remains one of the strongest aspects of the BT-50. The cargo bed is spacious and well-designed, featuring a durable liner and multiple tie-down points for securing loads. Payload capacity hovers around 1,000 kilograms and can tow up to 3,500 kilograms, making it ideal for both work and recreation. Mazda has even added small touches like a dampened tailgate and bed lighting for convenience during nighttime use. One of the key selling points of the BT-50 is how it bridges the gap between toughness and refinement. It's not just a truck for builders and farmers, it's equally suited for professionals, families, and adventurers. You can take it to a construction site during the day, then drive it to a dinner outing at night without feeling out of place. That's where Mazda's approach to emotional design truly shines. It gives a sense of sophistication to a traditionally rugged segment. When it comes to performance numbers, expect the 2026 BT-50 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in roughly 10 seconds, which is impressive for a diesel-powered truck. The engine noise is well managed thanks to improved sound insulation, and the fuel economy averages around 8 liters per 100 kilometers, solid for its class. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, while the manual gearbox offers a more engaging experience for those who prefer hands-on control. Mazda has also focused on making this pickup more connected and smarter. The infotainment system now supports over-the-air updates, voice commands, and even integrated navigation with real-time traffic alerts. Some variants offer a premium 8-speaker audio system by Bose, dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and power-adjustable seats, adding a layer of comfort typically not seen in mid-size pickups. From a design perspective, the 2026 Mazda BT-50 manages manages to stand out among its rivals, like the Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, and Isuzu D-Max, with a more sophisticated, almost elegant appearance. Mazda has refined the pickup formula by infusing its signature driving dynamics and design philosophy, creating something that appeals not only to traditional truck owners, but also to those entering the segment for the first time.